Hello! Those who have been watching this channel for a while know that I've been doing electronics for a couple of years at least. And in that time, electronics repair stuff has gotten smaller by quite a margin. I used to do work with a thing like this. This is a Weller soldering station. It's a good soldering station. The power supply is a bit loud, but there's nothing wrong with it. These days I do work using a IKEA power supply, a USB-C cable, and a pine sill. They're a lot smaller and they weigh a lot less. When I'm on the go, I use the same USB-C cable, but I use a power bank. And since the power bank can give out both types of USB, I can charge pretty much everything in my kit with a single one of these. The one thing that hasn't gotten smaller is this. I've always had to take this 250 grams, so like 1 pound solder with me. And it's kind of annoying until a friend of mine showed me another way. He had taken a sewing bobbin and done this. This is a recreation of that, the version number 1. And as you can see, I have done a spectacularly good job at spooling it in. And I saw stuff that I need to improve in this. But with this, you can carry a small amount of solder to most places with you when you don't need the entire spool. Here we have the Mark II version. There are notches here so that you can put the end of the line here so that it doesn't unravel. It prints in 2 pieces, and the pieces, depending on your tolerances, should snap together like they've done now. But if they don't, or they come off, we'll just put a dab of glue right here and push them together. There we go, tiny bit of glue. And there we go. You could just use normal sewing bobbins, but depending on how your significant other views that, it may end up in violence. So by printing these, you get a superior product because the normal ones don't have these notches and they don't have this starting hole here. I'll link the files in the description and all the other things featured too. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you next time.